Welcome back to my travel vlog. Today, I'm taking you on a trip to Thailand. Our first stop was Phuket, where we spent our days soaking up the sun and taking leisurely strolls along the sandy shores. Next, we headed to the bustling city of Bangkok. We couldn't resist indulging in a few cold beers. We also sampled delicious local cuisine. I took plenty of selfies to capture our memorable moments. Thanks for watching.
Hi there. You are watching Gizmo Journal. I use the Wondershare Filmora 14 to create my awesome travel videos like this one. Let me share my workflow with you. First, I imported the clips into the timeline. For my voiceover, there is a microphone button in the toolbar which I use to record sometimes. Alternatively, for a more refined narration, I use AI and text-to-speech. After adding a quick text, the AI copywriting tool can be accessed from here. Let's select Video Oral Script. Then give a short description about the topic. I will give the context of the scenes to match the clips. There. Then I select the voiceover scripts and copy them to the text field, with minor modifications if needed. Now, from the text-to-speech tool, we can do the voiceover without actually talking to the mic. Apply filters that goes with the theme of the video.
Wondershare Creativity
Wondershare Creativity Simplified. Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Click Generate and the voiceover is done.
Welcome back to my travel vlog.
I love adding the title templates to my videos as intros. They make a statement and give my viewers an idea about the video topic. Change the text as needed. Now, I like this title effect. Let's make it transparent. I want to put the title behind me in the vlog, and for that, first create a duplicate layer at the top. Then from AI tools, let me apply AI portrait cutout. This will remove the background. It's so easy. For the transitions, there are travel transitions in the Filmora resources that are so nice. For this, let me find food theme transitions and apply.
A few cold beers. We also sampled delicious local cuisine.
Looks cool, right? For the outro in the title effects, there are end credits, where I can find the perfect title animations.
Thanks for watching.
Now, I do love stickers. For my travel videos, there are some beautiful stickers that can be places on the clips, as well as on the outro. These make the video fun to watch.
Thanks for watching.
Finally, with filters, I can bring that cinematic feel to my travel videos.
Along the sandy shores.
Depending on the scene, find the filters from different categories easily and apply. You may want to change the filter opacity if you want. Filmora 14 has this tool called Protect Skin Tones, which makes the filter less affecting my original skin tone, making the video realistic. Without background music, my videos might feel monotonous. Once again, Filmora resources are there for me.
Welcome back to my travel.
So my travel video is ready in a few minutes.
I'm taking you on a trip to Thailand.
Now export and upload to social media. With Filmora 14, creating videos is total fun. Try it. You were watching Gizmo Journal.